Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we have GREE. GREE or Greenidge Generation Holdings. And as you can see, we did manage to close at around $39.70 on Friday. Okay, have a lot of lines going on right here and there. We have a line right here. Here we had a lot of volatility going on at 39.64. We managed to close at 39.25 right now. The market is not open, so this is video before even the market opens. So even you could probably watch it after the market open. But yeah, so this is how the stock looks like when you really need the volatility, but the people are selling. And then like the main thing that I did manage to say was that a lot of people are hating on GRE. I mean, no, I can understand the people. Like we're basically humans. So um for example, you did manage to put in like a big portion of your money, for example, 10K. Or like some people have like 50K. Some people are YOLO were into SPRT, and right now the market value on the 10K gives you only like 3K. And like, what the hell should you do by that? Like, sue your brokers, sue like put your name on the like lawsuit with GREE and like that you're not happy with the merger or so. But yeah, I mean, you could do whatever the hell you want, bro. I'm not happy at all too. I was not a big whale or so, but I still had my money put into GREE and so on and so on. But the main thing is that I was happy about the merger before like all this shit happened, but I was expecting the merger to happen like not like that quick. Okay, I was expecting it to be kind of maybe like October or so, maybe like right now, like 25th after the following week. But bro, I'm telling you that if like the merger happened like on Monday today, the last week on Friday, the stock like the SPRT could have squeezed. Okay, the fundamentals were on point. Like the TAs, the technical analysis was on point. So, bro, I don't know like what to say. I'm pretty angry at the moment, bro. But yeah, so. And also, some people say that like the GREE was like 160 like dollars stock discounted by 15% for 1 year. Feel me? So the facts from the S1 on 17th of or right now we're at like 20th of September 2021. The GRE had a entered into a sale agreement with the B rally of maximum on 7.6 million of the company, or 19.99%, around 20% of the company, for fifth, yeah, $500 million in the next 24 months. Okay, in the next like 24 months. So the GRE is valued at $2.5 billion as of the agreement of like $65, $65.59 per share. So there are 9.6 million Class A shares at the moment and 29.04 million Class B shares for a total share count of 38.7 million, giving a market cap of $1.5 billion as of close on Friday. The company has a hash rate of 1.1 EH per second, on par with Riot, which has a market cap of 2.8 billion as of the Friday, which would give it a value of 72.59. The jury expects to reach 1.7 EH in the second or hash rate by end of December 2021, and 2.9 EH. So like, bro, this is a big ass numbers. 2.9 EH per second by the mid 2021, giving it a value of like $98.38. Okay, and at December 31st, 2021, and 177.09 at June 30th, 2022. So, and the sixth thing is that giving effect to a valuation with additional 3.5 million, the total share count will be 42.2 million, and the current price should be 59.23 per dollars, based on the Riot or Air RIOT $66.57, based on the 1.7 EH per second is $88.84, and finally based on 2.9 EH per second is 59 $159.91. So yeah, and also other like there are a lot of other factors like not included in the like valuation. Like the thing is that there is the short interest that needs to be covered. 100 to like 150 million of the SPRT businesses. Remember, it was a negative. Okay, it was negatively affected by the pandemic. Like, of course, with that. The next we had that the near future can be like totally different. The third thing is that the own power generation, including sale to the power grid of 61 like megabytes, doubling of Bitcoin value, the last but not least additional expansion with fifth like $500 million in the bank, and the sixth thing is that these are valuations at the lower end of the spectrum. Okay, there is no incentive for Class B shares to be covered to Class A shares until the price of the Class A is above $160, which means they are not like tradable. The business model is already generating revenue. Each additional machine added to or delivered increases revenue and in turn profit. The tech green energy is a new age tech with a lot of value. With a lot of value to it for ECG investing. Okay, do not forget the dust settles with this, and there is nothing but a long upside mean revision and real value. In fact, you have a bet on Bitcoin without the risk of all the volatility since they covered everything to USD daily. Okay, so a lot of people are like reinvesting right now. To be honest, you feel me? A lot of people are like reinvesting right now. So because they were scared. This was listed this was listed after the merger on like Robinhood or so. Yes, a Chinese company or so, but I did not know. I mean, I was some people could have been scared. So yeah, everything has like its own price. Like we cannot kind of cap about it right now. And yeah, as I said, do not like manage to sue, bro. GREE. I mean, they wanted to like make it better by making the module earlier, but it is what it is. It's kind of turned out like different way. Like there's nothing we can do about it right now. Expect for buying more. I'm a firm believer into GRE, and again, as this guy said, a huge shout out to reversed for last, like reserved for last for the guy that I read absolutely this from here from Reddit. So absolutely agree with the guy or girl. I don't know, but yeah, there is nothing but a upside move from here on. I could continue to push to the downside because not a lot of people know this is what I'm making with this video for. I'm not happy too, but these fucking hedge funds still want your shares from GREE. Okay, so people are also very emotional about the merger. I get that. Okay, but emotions never paid my lease. They want to sell your shares, wait a month at least, and to see what is happening. This is a company that is fast growing and has his own plan. Okay, plan, and like competitors don't. So we're going to be seeing what will be happening. Like people are very emotional because many have lost 70% of their investments, having been helplessly locked out of trading while the GREE nose dived. Okay, given that they have presided over one of the most like disastrous mergers in the recent history, why has there been nothing but silence from GRE PR department and the CEO? Okay, I mean this guy like is true, but it seemed like they have nothing but like contempt for their shareholders, and their silence like reinforces shareholders' words suspicion about GRE top brass. Okay, during the MMAT TRC like TRCH reverse merger fiasco, George P. or Polycaros was at least somewhat accessible through Twitter and YouTube. Okay, and bro, I can say, I mean, if there was something about to say about the merger, like there's kind of a law that they cannot say anything, and I absolutely believe that. So they're gonna be like staying silent right now. There may be some kind of way that they should stay silent and they should not like say anything about the merger. But like, who are we right here to judge? So we're gonna be waiting. And overall, like what the GREE like represents at the moment, absolutely love the company. And with all like the technical analysis, there is not much I can talk about the technical analysis at the moment, just mainly because, bro, we only have three daily candles, like not a lot of bro numbers right here, so I can judge out of. You feel me? So yeah, what gives the people the feelings of the power are the money, the status, and of course the holding. Okay, the hedge fund. So we're going to be seeing what will be happening. There's a lot of like interesting things going to go up in the following weeks, months, maybe even years with GREE. I'm pretty excited about that. Again, I lost a big percentage of my money too, but we're going to be seeing with all these like suits of the brokers and the SEC fillings, you feel me? So yeah, that's about it for today. Peace out, guys. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.